Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Libras, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So, we have Ace of Swords in reverse, Emperor, and Five of Swords in reverse. So, in your situation, Libras, you are someone who stands by what you believe in. You have a set of rules for yourself, ideals, and you stick by those rules. So, whatever your situation is, you work by those rules and ideas. And people around you may see you as a very severe and a strict person. So, you have a strong conviction, devotion, and maybe that may be the reason people come to you for your suggestions or ideas. So, if they want to know anything, because you are someone who's wise and talented, that may be the reason. And I also see that in your situation, maybe in this relationship, you have a beautiful relationship, you have a level of understanding, but the way you are, the things you speak, or your behavior is the reason for trouble. So you may speak your mind, tell them the truth, maybe blurt out impulsively without thinking, maybe the way you react, that is simply affecting this person, affecting this love, and they feel your harsh words are killing this love, or your harshness, or that arrogance or arrogant words, however you are. Maybe you are speaking the truth, but it is simply something this person cannot take. They need sugar coated words, or they need compassionate words from you, but that is not what they are getting today from you guys. And I also see that in your situation today, guys, Libras, some kind of you feel lost, something is not working, and you feel that this person is not respecting you, or they are not caring for you. They are simply avoiding you, maybe for some reason, maybe because of the way you are. You are someone who is really talented, skilled, and you have a lot of experience, and you do anything based on the ideals you have, or beliefs, or based on your experience. And this person may not understand your side of perception, because they are someone who is fun loving, who is very who has a very free spirit. So they do things just as they love, and how things go by, they go by that, they go with the flow, maybe. And you are someone who's rigid and severe, so that may be the reason things are not going well between you both, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. That is a reading for y'all today. If you want more clarity in your situation, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Libras. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. Whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, we have the juniper tree. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, guys, Maybe you are feeling extremely guilty or responsible for certain things. Maybe it has happened in your life or certain circumstances that has unfolded in someone close to you. So, and you feel really guilty because you feel that you are the one responsible for those circumstances or the way things went. But in truth, you need not feel sad and stressed because it is not your making, and this is not your fault. And you need to understand that you are someone with a good heart. That is the reason you feel sadness for someone else troubles or worries, guys. And you need to understand that you should not lose hope and keep doing the right things you are doing right now, and being really compassionate. And you are someone really compassionate. That is what I see, guys. And this sadness or stress, whatever it is the making of someone, some kind of person. It may be a third party involved in your situation, in this relationship. So you are doing the right things, but you are taking the responsibilities for all the faults or mistakes that have happened. And this is the time for us to stop the blame game and shift our attention. So we need to be compassionate. We should not be impulsive. And when we are that way, we are going to get a second chance at our life, second chance in this relationship or in that particular circumstance, whatever has unfolded and whatever is stressing you today. And you need to understand that the truth in your situation will reveal itself, because we cannot hide truth for a long time, guys, whether it is our mistake or someone else's mistake. We can never hide truth, never bury truth. So that is the energy with this card. And we should not act out of our anger or resentments. We should always be kind and compassionate and be patient. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what it is. We have new life. So the appearance of this card in a reading just means that this is a very auspicious time for you in your relationship or any kind of partnerships you have taken up in your life. So it may mean even your business collaborations or a beautiful beginning in this relationship. So if you are already in a connection with someone you love, you are going to see positive transformation in this connection. You are going to experience more intimacy, harmony and vibrancy in this relationship, and you are going to feel a much more deeper connection with this person you love. And if you are single and if you are open to a new relationship, this is the time for a new beginning coming up in your life, guys. So you are going to find someone new, and that relationship is going to be so fulfilling, filled with harmony, balance and sweetness of that togetherness, intimacy and that blessed understanding you both have with each other. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, it is a new beginning you are seeing in your life today. Maybe in your relationship or maybe in your work situation, whatever it is a very auspicious card, guys, and it denotes a new beginning and a new life. So that is the reading with this card, guys. I hope this reading resonates. If you like this reading, please like and comment, and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.